Hey, what's up, traders? Thursday, August 10th, 9:16 a.m., and these are your morning ideas. All right, gang. We have, as you see on my screen, inflation rose today, 3.2%. It is less than expected. However, you see the market did the old, accordion here, up, down, all over the place. I mean, we went up to 45.25, down to 44.96. So we went down, up and down 30 points. Now we're back near the top. But if you look at the profile, look where the volume point of control is. Look where yesterday's volume point of control was, right? This looks actually really balanced. So I would be careful chasing this thing away from here. This is what I like to see. It's like, okay, once the dust settles, what have we done? Are we trading a lot on one of the edges? Are we trading a lot on one of the other edges? I highly recommend that you watch the video from the other day where I show the setup of using volume profile, like right off the open when we had the week high, and you can learn all about that over there. But what do we look for moving forward here? I've got a lot of different symbols up here that I've been looking at. So if we look at and go back and look at the ES, let's bring the big picture up. Where are we? We are still right in the thick of this previous area that we had up here. We're moving back down towards, we've run into the volume point of control 44.96 that we talked so much about. And it's held so far. If it doesn't hold, then we're looking again to remind you, 44.14 would be the next area I'm looking for. On the top end, I'm still looking for this thing to move towards 4,700 if we can catch a solid base here at the VPOC. That's what I'm looking for. If we're looking at just the last couple days, we did have a bit of a weak high here on, what was this, Tuesday. And then yesterday, the trading was kind of all over the place. We have a distribution down here, distribution in the middle, another distribution up here. So it'd be interesting to see, if we can start to move higher. But really, we have a bunch of overlap going on here, which indicates like we're in some kind of a bigger balance area, right? Even though you have some days in there that look trendy, overall we're inside this bigger balance area. So it doesn't surprise me that we're whipping a bit back and forth. So we whip down, we whip right back up, we whip right back down, and we're kind of feel like we're all over the place. The volume is pretty good, obviously, because of the CPI number that came out today. Other than that, guys, I think that it's just watch the market develop and see if you can use some of those principles I talked about in the last couple of videos I've made. Live market videos talk about what I'm looking for on a daily basis once the market opens. How do I either chuck my plan out the window or change my plan, or trade exactly the plan that I had going into my hypothesis I had going into the market. So all of these things is what I'm trying to do on a daily basis when I'm trading, and I hope that it's helpful for you. We are giving away, we do have a contest going on right now, $8,000 cash giveaway. If you haven't seen that, the video will be after this one. We're also giving away a daily winner every single day to the person that makes the most aggregate across all their accounts. This has been a hit so far. Everybody's liked it. So if you haven't joined into that, please do. And I think that's it for now, guys. If you guys have anything, as always, reach out and we'll talk to you guys soon.